Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Salma?
5.4 watts.
You're right.
Giving function.
You're right. KNUST Senior High School. Congratulations on winning the contest. Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 15th 1A stage contest of the 2016 edition. The contest will be featuring Ebuakwa State College, Anglo Senior High School, and Kumasi Senior High Technical School. Finally, Kumasi Secondary Technical School. Kumasi Secondary Technical School is represented by
Watson Albert, final year.
Mr. Daniel, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
By God's grace, we are fine.
All right. Were you here last year?
Yes, madam.
And what happened then?
We are knocked out by University Practice School.
Oh,
UPS.
yeah. I see. And so far this year in the prelims, what happened?
We met St. Louis and Manfi Kumasi Senior High. And by God's grace, we came out victorious.
Okay. So the plan for today?
Our prayer is that at the end of the day, the perfect will of God should be established.
Okay. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Our contestants are ready. Before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is proudly produced by Primetime Limited. We are sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also supported by RMG Ghana Limited. This is a leading agro-input company in Ghana. I am grateful to GTP for my fabric. My name is Dr. Elsie Efa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana. I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. Simple, direct questions requiring simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available for the 2 other schools to ring for. Once a school rings and answers correctly, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. All questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with Kumasi Secondary Technical School. For this first set of questions, you have 30 seconds. Your question: find the gauge pressure 2 meters below the surface of water in a lake. Daniel.
20 kilopascal.
You're right. When I get to your school, I will give you a biological structure. It's a biological structure. Name the mineral elements needed most by that structure. I hope you got it. All right. Kumasi, bones. Yes, Albert.
Calcium.
You're right. Which of the pH indicators, phenolphthalein or methyl orange, will you choose for dilute hydrochloric acid ammonia titration? Yes, Albert?
Methyl orange.
You are right. Find the number of ways in which the given figure fits its outline. Have you got it? All right. Kumase. Equilateral triangle. Yes, Albert?
3.
No, that's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 6. Anglo, with the same preamble, rectangle. Yes, Gosson?
2 ways.
No, for bonus. Yes, Daniel?
4.
You are right. Abuakwa State, with the same preamble, regular hexagon. Yes, Ernest?
6.
No. Which of you, Daniel?
12.
You're right. Preamble to all schools. When I get to your school, I will give you a substance. Please, let's know what the liver does to that substance. What does the liver do to the substance? All right. Kumase, hormones. Yes, Albert.
The hormones, the liver breaks down the hormones so that the hormones will not be effective after it has been used in the body.
Next set, 30 seconds. Kumase, calculate the volume of 0.024 mole per decimeter cubed acidified KMnO4 solution that will be required to react completely with 20 centimeter cubed of 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed solution of iron 2. Iron 2 and MnO4 minus react in the ratio 5:1. Yes, Daniel?
125 cm3. 125
That's
cm3.
incorrect for bonus. Which of you, Divine?
32 cm3.
No. The right answer is 25.0 centimeter cubed. Your major question, Anglo. Iodine reacts with the thiosulfate, that is S2O3 2-, ion in the ratio 1:2. Calculate the concentration of an iodine solution if 24 centimeter cubed of that solution requires 18.0 centimeter cubed of 0.21 mole per decimeter cubed of the S2O3 2- solution for complete reaction. Please give your answer to 3 places of decimal. Is your hand up, Divine? Go ahead.
Madam,
Go ahead.
0.1525 mole per dm3.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 0.079 mole per decimeter cubed. Ebuakwa State. The SO3 2- ion reacts with MnO4- ion in acidified solution in the ratio 5:2. Calculate the concentration of SO3 2- solution if 20 centimeter cubed of it requires 16.5 centimeter cubed of 0.080 mole per decimeter cubed acidified solution of MnO4- for complete reaction. Please give your answer to 3 places of decimal. Yes, Michael.
0.058 mole per dm cube.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you? Albert.
0.165 mole per dm cube.
You are right. Last set of questions for the round. You have 30 seconds and I have a preamble. Change the decimal number to the given base. That's the preamble. Mase, 55 or 55 base 10 to base 6. Yes, Albert.
131 base 6.
You're right.
Agriculture on a sustainable basis.
At the end of the first round, Anglo Senior High School has 13 points. Ebuakwa State College has 15 points. Master Secondary Technical School has 18 points. Contestants, let me encourage you to work even harder. Round 2, also known as a speed race. In this round, I'm going to present the questions to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer the question, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Ebuakwa State? Thank you. Yours, Anglo. Thank you. And yours, Kumase. Thank you. If you are able to answer the question correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. Second attempt, 2 points. Third attempt, a single point. If the question requires calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have a maximum of 10 seconds to do so. All the best. First question. Name the product formed when solid Na2CO3 is heated. Daniel.
No, it cannot be decomposed, so no product to be formed.
I'm not accepting that. Who rang next? Anglo? Yes.
CO2.
Go ahead, Divine.
NaO and then CO2.
No. You also rang, Ebuakwa. Go ahead, you had already rang. Michael.
Na2CO3 going into 2 moles of Na plus CO3.
No. Kumasi, you were right, but you can't tell me no product is formed. Whatever is there is still the product, right? So it's the same Na2CO3. It is stable to heat. So you can't say no product. It doesn't vanish. A 50-kilogram box remains stationary on a horizontal floor when pushed by a 100-Newton horizontal force. Find the coefficient of static friction between the floor and the box. Yes, Albert?
0.2.
Yes. Find the ratio of the area of a circle of radius 5 centimeters to the area of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. Godson.
The ratio is 1:3.
That's incorrect.
3:1.
No. Yes, Albert.
1:9.
Yes. Name any class of vertebrates whose members are warm-blooded. Yes, Albert.
Class Avis.
Yes. School with statements. When you receive your statement, please consider the statement carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you're right, 2 points. If you're incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. If a school rings and answers correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches the penalty point. Listen carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you're right, 2 points. If you're incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. If a school rings and answers correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches the penalty point. Best wishes to all. Reactance of a circuit comprising an ideal capacitor in series with an ideal resistor equals the reactance of the capacitor plus the resistance of the resistor. Daniel.
It's false.
Yes. See? The negative of a vector has the same magnitude as the vector. Daniel.
It's true.
Yes. Last statement. Hydrolysis of a molecule of sucrose will yield a molecule each of glucose and galactose. Yes, Albert?
It's false.
You're right. And that's the end of the 4th round. The contest will be decided in this final round. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you need to draw my attention. You do so by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell? Abuakwa State. Thank you. Yours, Anglo. Thank you. And yours, Kumase. Thank you. When you ring, the answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles. First one. I am a phenomenon in which fundamental particles are emitted. I often occur with refractory metals, but I am also known to occur with certain compounds. I am useful in X-ray generators, where I occur in the hot cathode. Yes, Daniel.
Thermionic emission.
You are right. Reading the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am an array of numbers, but I am not a sequence. To be precise, I am a rectangular. Yes, Daniel.
Matrix.
You're right. I was reading the second clue, 4 points. That's the end of the 5th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Anglo Senior High School has 36 points. Ebuakwa State College has 37 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School has 40 points. Anglo Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us such a good contest. All the best. Ebuakwa State College, thank you for being here also and for giving us such a good contest. All the best. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, congratulations on winning the contest. This was a really close one, but you made it. Well done. Please prepare well, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Well done. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this exciting contest.